Welcome dear students. BSc Agriculture 5th semester, the important course CP311 Environmental Studies and Disaster Management. Today I am presenting the first lecture of Unit 2. The lecture content is mineral resources. If you see the syllabus of the course Environmental Studies and Disaster Management, this is the first topic in Unit 2, that is mineral resources. So in the environmental studies, minerals are the part of the environment, though the minerals are not present in atmosphere. In the last lecture I have explained you the difference between atmosphere and environment. The minerals are present in the lithosphere basically. It is in the soil or it is beneath the earth's surface, and these minerals are extracted and it is being utilized for the benefit of human needs. So this is the first lecture of Unit 2, mineral resources. Here in this today's lecture we will cover the points that what is mineral. If we are going to study the mineral resources, definitely first of all we should be very clear about the minerals. We should know that what is mineral. Then the classification of minerals. Classification of minerals will also tell you the types of minerals. So this, to understand the types of mineral, the classification of minerals is very essential. Then the availability of minerals in India. So here we will come to know that how many minerals are present in the world, how many minerals are present in the earth, and here you will come to know that minerals are not equitably distributed to all the countries throughout the earth or throughout the lithosphere. Some part of the earth is very rich in certain minerals, while the other part of earth is rich in the other types of mineral. Though the minerals are available everywhere, but here if we talk about mineral resources, then we come to know that minerals are available at the certain parts, not at all the parts. That we will come to know the availability of minerals in India in this topic. The one topic, soil texture, will also be covered, or we will touch this topic, soil texture. And the another topic, plant nutrition. This plant nutrition topic, the soil texture and plant nutrition, these both topics you have studied, probably you have studied in the last 2 years in soil science course, in agronomy course and in crop physiology course. Here I will touch these two topics because these two topics, soil texture and the plant nutrition, these two topics are related to the mineral resources. So how it is related with our mineral resources, you will come to know. Then metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals. These are the two types of mineral you will come to know in the classification of minerals. So there are two types, metallic and non-metallic minerals. So their use, their importance, their types. In this heading we will cover. The use of minerals also will be covered, and the agricultural use of minerals will also, because all the minerals are not used in agriculture. Some minerals are used for the industrial purpose, for making the machineries and other things. Absolutely there is no link with agriculture, but lot of minerals have their link in agriculture, so this will also be explained in this lecture. So again come to the point, minerals. So what are minerals? Minerals are pure inorganic substances. Minerals are occurred naturally in the earth crust. That's why I am saying you it is available in the lithosphere of the earth. So in the earth crust it is naturally available, but it is inorganic substance. This is not the organic thing, not produced by the plants. This is inorganic substances, that is mineral. So accept and rather a small portion of the crust that contains organic mineral. There are some small portion of the crust. These organic minerals, basically it is the organic matter. Minerals are present in the organic matter. When this organic matter is decomposed or it is mineralized, then the minerals are being released from the organic matter. Organic matter are not the mineral. So this should be very clear to all of you. Minerals are the inorganic substances. Organic matter is not the minerals. So even in the course agriculture waste management, we are talking about mineralization. So this organic matter, the nutrients are present in organic form. When it is mineralized, inorganic nutrients are released, then we can say it is mineral. So some examples of minerals are gold, silver, diamond. Diamond is a carbon rich mineral. Sulfur, phosphorus, potash, dolomite, marbles, granites. These are the examples of the minerals. Here you can see gold is a very important or very precious mineral. Silver, diamond. Sulfur is a mineral, phosphorus is a mineral, potash is a mineral. It is extracted from the soil or it is extracted from the rocks which are available either in hills or in the soil crust. And the fertilizers are being manufactured from these minerals. Dolomite, marbles, granite, these are the construction type minerals. Gold, silvers, they are very precious and very costly, or very, we can say very useful or very costly or very desirable minerals. More than 2000 minerals have been identified. They contain inorganic compound formed by various combinations of 8 elements: oxygen, silica, aluminium, iron, calcium, sodium, potash and magnesium. These are the 8 elements. Most of the minerals are formed by the combination of these 8 elements, and some other more elements are also present there. Metals are iron, copper, aluminium. Non-metallic minerals are salt, gypsum, clay, phosphate. These are non-metallic minerals. That's why we used to say it salts. Phosphate, potash, sodium, this is a salty minerals. Gypsum, it is a salt. Metallic minerals are iron, copper, aluminium, even gold, silver, gold and silver is also metallic minerals. Even in the introduction lecture, I told you that coal is also a mineral. Coal is non-metallic mineral. Coal is known as koila. Coal is known as the energy mineral. So mineral resources are non-renewable. What is the meaning of non-renewable? I think you have already studied a course renewable energy, so you should know what is renewable and what is non-renewable. So these mineral resources are non-renewable in nature. Classification of mineral, it is very important. Even this classification in this introduction slide I have told you. Minerals are pure inorganic substances naturally occurring on the earth crust. This is the definition of mineral. Next is the more explanation of mineral. It is examples, their elements present in the mineral, their types of the mineral. But to know what is mineral, these 2 lines are the definition of the mineral. Minerals are pure inorganic substances naturally available in the earth crust and non-renewable resources. This is the definition of mineral. This is the classification of minerals. So this classification has already some part is covered in the introduction slide. The classification of minerals is that it is mainly divided into 2 categories: metallic and non-metallic. Coal is also a non-metallic mineral, but coal is again a very precious energy mineral. So coal has given a new category that it is the energy mineral. So metallic mineral is ferrous, iron, and in metallic mineral again the metallic minerals are divided into three category. One is ferrous or iron based mineral, another is non-iron based mineral, third is precious mineral. So first, because iron is the most important mineral and iron is available in abundance. So this in metallic minerals, iron are available in abundance, and iron is very useful in our life also. So this iron containing minerals are ferrous containing minerals are iron ore, manganese, nickel, cobalt, etc. Metallic mineral non-ferrous based are copper, lead, tin, bauxite. Metallic mineral which are very precious in nature and which are very precious for ourselves or our society, that is gold, silver, platinum and diamond. Non-metallic minerals are mica, salt, sulfur, granite, limestone, marble, dolomite, sandstone, etc. These are the non-metallic minerals. Probably in the first semester you have studied a course formation of soil. So soil is formed by the weathering of mineral rocks. So the soil which is formed by the weathering of mineral rocks, these are non-metallic minerals. So this granite, limestone, marble is also known as calcite. So calcite, dolomite, so these things after the through the process of weathering of these non-metallic mineral rocks, the soil is formed. So this non-metallic minerals are very important in agriculture. But if you study the mineral science, this metallic mineral and precious minerals are more important. They give more emphasis over it because these metals are the important part of our day-to-day life. Even in agriculture, metals are the important part. Our all agricultural implements, our agricultural tools, they are made up of metals. So metallic minerals are important for agriculture engineers, but these non-metallic minerals are important for the agronomist. And third is energy mineral. So coal is the energy mineral. Coal is formed in the below the soil surface or below the earth surface through the process of converting the fossils to the coal. So this coal is also known as fossil fuel. All these minerals are extracted through mining beneath the soil surface or beneath the earth surface. Petroleum is also extracted from beneath the earth surface through mining. Here I am leaving a question for you people. Can petroleum be regarded as a mineral? This is a question for you people. Can petroleum be regarded as mineral, specifically energy mineral? This you should study, you should search the answer of this question, and in next webinar we will discuss this. Can petroleum be regarded as the mineral? This is the mineral resources of India. So in the first slide I have told you that more than 2000 minerals have been identified. So these more than 2000 minerals which are identified in the world, all are not present in India. Even in India about 84 minerals are present. So this is the mineral resources of India. I told you this marble or granite is a mineral. I told you coal is a mineral. Now immediately you can think this, for example, marble and granite is a mineral. So from where we get marble? And because probably all of you be the part of the activity of your house construction. Either you have constructed or your father or grandfather have constructed your house and you were assisting them. So you should have about a rough idea from where for the construction of their house, even for the floorings. Your father might have purchased some tiles, some stone tiles for the flooring of your house. So from where it comes? A very common answer everywhere, even in Uttar Pradesh, in Delhi, in Haryana, Punjab, or in Madhya Pradesh, when we construct our house, we used to say that for this flooring tiles we have procured it from Rajasthan. Means this minerals, that is marble or granite, these minerals are rich in Rajasthan. Even the sandstone mineral, it is rich in Rajasthan. This is the reason that the cement is prepared from the sandstone, and the sandstone is present in Rajasthan in the huge quantity. So this is the reason that lot of the cement factories, even this Birla Cement, Bangar Cement, JK Cement, all these factories are situated in the Chittorgarh district of Rajasthan. Coal, again you should know, if you are touched with the news, even this when there was a UPA government, Manmohan Singh was the Prime Minister, the coal block were allocated. So this Mr. Naveen Jindal was also a very prominent name in the news channels at that time, that a coal block has been allocated to Mr. Naveen Jindal also, at which place where the coal minerals are available in abundance. So here this is the region of Chhattisgarh, Raipur. You can say this is coal. This symbol is for coal. You can see this symbol is available in Chhattisgarh and all over the Chhattisgarh and south part of, or in this the part which is part of Maharashtra and part of south part of Madhya Pradesh, which is attached to the Chhattisgarh. So near Raipur, near Bhilai, this region, and near Nagpur region, and this is the south part of Chhattisgarh, which is attached to the Andhra Pradesh. The coal mineral is available in the huge quantity. This bauxite, you can see this is copper mineral. Copper minerals are available in the north part of Rajasthan in abundance. This ring is diamond. This mineral, this square is asbestos. So these asbestos are, this is the about Kota and Chittorgarh region of Rajasthan. The manganese minerals are available in Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh. This is gypsum. Again, gypsum is available in huge quantity in Rajasthan. This is manganese. Manganese is available in abundance in Madhya Pradesh and in Karnataka. Here you can see. So these are here in this map. We can see here in Uttar Pradesh. This is the reason I told you. The minerals are not equally distributed to the country or to the world or on the earth. Some part of the earth is very rich in the mineral resources and some part of the earth is not rich in the mineral resources. This is because actually minerals are available everywhere. This Uttar Pradesh, you can see no minerals are available. No, minerals are available, but that is not a very precious mineral. It is not dolomite. It is basically non-metallic minerals which are available in Uttar Pradesh. And non-metallic minerals are available in abundance, and it is a very cheap mineral. So the mining of the minerals, people invest the money for the mining of minerals where the minerals are very useful. So construction minerals, Their minings are available in the more number in Rajasthan, in Madhya Pradesh. Even the Jabalpur Katni region of Madhya Pradesh, it is very rich in dolomite. Dolomite is magnesium rich mineral. Even silica sand, so come to the soil texture. Texture indicates the relative content of particles of various size in a soil. The particles of various sizes are sand, silt and clay. This sand, silt and this classification of sand, silt and clay, I need not to repeat it, because even in last semester I explained the classification of sand, silt and clay, and you might have read it in the soil science course also. So but the soil texture is the relative proportion of the sand, silt and clay in a soil. The sand, silt and clay is the particles of various size. So texture influence the ease with which soil can be worked, the amount of water and air it can hold, and so many physical properties are dependent on the soil texture. So if we see soil aggregates, actually these are known as soil fractions. Sand, silt and clay, these particles are known as soil fractions. Except the soil fractions, organic matter is also available there, water and air is also available there. So all together is known as soil aggregates. Air is a soil aggregate, water is a soil aggregate, organic matter is a soil aggregate, the mineral is a soil aggregate. So this sand, silt and clay, which constitutes the 45%, it is a general soil which constitute the 45% of the soil. Organic matter constitute the 5% part of the soil, and remaining 50% is constituted by air and water, and these are interchangeable. If air will be more, water will be less, and if water will become more, then air will become less. So these are the interchangeable. The soil texture, I am touching this point just to explain you. Minerals are not present in Uttar Pradesh. Yes, present in Uttar Pradesh, because the sand, silt and clay, it is the mineral part of soil. So it is mineral basically. So soil is present everywhere, even in Maharashtra. This part of the country you can see Maharashtra and Andhra Pradesh. Here no sign of a mineral is shown in this picture. Even in this picture in Uttar Pradesh and Bihar and upper part of West Bengal, there is no, even in Jammu Kashmir, there is no sign of the mineral is present. It doesn't mean that minerals are not present here. Yes, coal is not present, granite and marble and is not present there. Means the iron or aluminium is not present there. Means the important metallic and important precious minerals or energy minerals are not present. So mining is not there. But soil, even the soil of Uttar Pradesh is a very good, very fertile and very rich, very good soil. Its texture is loam basically, and loam soil is best soil for the cultivation. And the soil is formed by the combination of sand, silt and clay. Sand, silt and clay constitutes the mineral part of the soil. It means sand, silt and clay is a mineral. Now come to the essential nutrients, plant nutrients. I told you there are 16 nutrients which are essential for the plant to complete its life cycle. So the mineral nutrition is defined as the naturally occurring inorganic nutrients. Again it is inorganic. So what is the definition of mineral? pure inorganic substances. The nutrients which are required by the plant, they are again inorganic nutrients. So these inorganic nutrients found in the soil and in food also, in our food also, these nutrients are found, and it is important for the proper function of the animal and plant body. So minerals are vital elements necessary for the plant body. So one of them includes sulfur, nitrogen, carbon, phosphorus, calcium, potassium, magnesium. These are the nutrients which are required by the plants. I told you the examples of minerals: gold, silver, diamond, sulfur, phosphorus, potash. Then these are the construction mineral: dolomite, marble, granite. So these phosphorus, potash, it is a mineral. It is plant nutrients also. So except this hydrogen and oxygen, these all are minerals: nitrogen, phosphorus, potash, calcium, magnesium, sulfur, boron, zinc, ferrous, ferric or ferrous, you can say iron. We know iron is a mineral which is extracted, that is a metallic mineral extracted from the soil. Iron which is present in the soil or as a plant nutrient: molybdenum, manganese, copper and chloride. These are the minerals which are utilized by the plants as a nutrients to complete their life cycle. So these are the 16, and 4 are the optional: sodium, silica, nickel and cobalt. Again it is a mineral. These are the minerals. So these minerals are utilized by the some plants and not utilized by the some plants. So it cannot come in the category of essential elements. It is for the plant nutrition part, it is known as optional nutrients, optional elements. But here why I am touching the soil texture and plant nutrition topic with these minerals, so that whenever we used to say mineral resources, people start thinking about iron, aluminium or granite, marble or gold, silver, or up to some extent coal. Immediately when we say mineral resources, even if you go to the government office and say about mineral resources, immediately their mind will go towards the mines, and the mines are definitely basically for the extraction of these precious or these important minerals. Nobody will put a mine to extract the sand, seed and clay, but these nutrients, plant nutrients, are the minerals. So this is the reason I am touching this topic of soil texture and essential nutrients with the mineral topic, so that you should know that in our agriculture minerals are very important, and even we are playing with the minerals only. Our soil is a mineral, our nutrients, plant nutrients, are the minerals. But when we say minerals, credit goes to the mining department and the credit goes to the factories, they are creating metals. So there are two types of minerals: metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals. So for the metallic minerals, these metallic minerals are metals that are hard substances. So I have given you the example of metallic mineral, that is gold, silver, copper, lead or iron, aluminium. These are the metallic minerals. These metallic minerals: tin, zinc, nickel, chromium, these all are the metallic minerals. So these metallic minerals are the hard substances. It is hard, kathor substances. These metallic minerals are good conductor of heat and electricity. So this is a characteristic of the mineral, that it is a metallic mineral, is a good conductor of heat and electricity. And the metallic mineral, it has a characteristic luster और शाइन भी कैन से, इसमें चमक होती है. नॉन मेटेलिक मिनरल में से चमक नहीं होती है. So these metallic minerals are further classified into ferrous and non-ferrous metallic mineral. So ferrous metallic mineral where iron ore is the important part. Ore means khanij, ore, ore. So iron ore मतलब लौह खनिज. So लौह खनिज, iron ore is a very important in ferrous minerals, and non-ferrous minerals, precious minerals, copper and lead are the also non-ferrous minerals. Precious minerals, that is gold and silver, are the non-ferrous metallic minerals. So these are the metallic minerals which are hard in nature. It has a luster, typical metallic luster, and good conductor of. It can conduct the heat and electricity very good. Another is the non-metallic minerals. So these non-metallic minerals are the special group of chemical elements from which no new product can be generated if they are melted. Sand, gravel, gypsum, light, uranium, dimension, stone. These are the non-metallic minerals. So non-metallic minerals are present in non-metallic shine or in non-metallic luster and their appearance. So it appearance, it is first of all, it is not a hard, it is not very hard. These minerals do not contain extractable metals in their chemical composition. So extractable metal cannot be extracted from these minerals. While in metallic minerals, these metals can be extracted. But here it is a sand. Sand itself is a mineral. You cannot extract any metals from the non-metallic minerals. So these non-metallic minerals are also very important for even for our plant life also, basically. Use of minerals. Iron are used for construction purpose. Aluminium are used in making body of aeroplane, etc. Aeroplane and aluminium are also used for utensil preparation. Iron is also used for constructing several pipes and several other utensils and several other structures or machineries. Iron is used to construct the machineries also. Gold are used to make jewelries and coins. Copper are used for making electric wire, coins, jewelry, etc. Lead is used in making batteries, ammunition, etc. Shale and gypsum are used in cement and plaster. This plaster of Paris is also a gypsum. Silica sand is used in preparation of window glass. These are the common use of minerals. Copper, which is used for electric wire, plumbing and points. Diamond is used for jewelry, cutting tool, drill and bits. Galena is used in battery and ammunition. Not ammunition, it is ammunition. Galena is used in battery and ammunition. Gibbsite is used in cane, foil, appliances and utensils. Gold is used in jewelry, computers. This gypsum is used in wall boards, plaster and cement. Halite is used in nitrogen, highway deicer and water softener. Quartz is also a mineral, and quartz is used in glass and computer chips. Even you can, if nowadays the wrist watch is out of fashion because everybody sees the time on mobile. Otherwise, if you see your wrist watch or a watch which is a battery watch which is available at your house, that is wall clock, This bar clock, you will find the quartz, it is written there, quartz. Why the quartz is written in this watch? Even in your wristwatch, it is a quartz watch. Quartz is a mineral, and the quartz element vibrates so many times in 1 second. So if you see the definition of second, second is the time in which a quartz element can vibrate. I am forgetting the number. This much time quartz can vibrate. So directly this quartz element is used in your watch. So quartz is also a mineral. Silver is a mineral which is used for the making of jewelries, photography and electronic products. Sphalerite is a mineral which is used in jet aircraft, in planes and spacecraft also. Sphalerite is also a very useful mineral for the industry's purpose. So these are the industrial minerals. Minerals are also important in our agriculture. So what are the minerals which are important in agriculture? I told you. First, our soil fractions like sand, silt and clay. Secondly, the nutrients, plant nutrients which are available in soil, they are minerals. 41 mineral commodities are used by agriculture for their manufacture of fertilizer, pesticides, soil amendments and animal feeds, and for food storage and processing also. So there are about 41 minerals which are used in agriculture. 16 I have told you, or 20 I have told you, except carbon and hydrogen, except hydrogen and oxygen, these 18s are the minerals. So these 18s are the minerals in agriculture used as nutrients. Then rest 3 are sand, silt and clay, that is soil fractions. So it is 21. About 20 more are available minerals which are used by the industry but for the agriculture. For example, manufacturing of fertilizer, manufacturing of pesticides and several other animal feeds and storage, food storage processing, these minerals are being used. The physical, chemical and biological weathering of primary minerals releases a number of nutrient elements into the soil solution. So this again comes the part of plant nutrition. In this plant nutrition, the nutrients are available in soil which is extracted or taken by the plants. So from where it comes to the soil? So it comes to the soil, that is because we are applying it through the fertilizer, because we are exhausting it from the soil very fast rate. So we need to supplement it through the fertilizer. Otherwise, naturally, by the weathering of the primary minerals, they are released into the soil. So these are the minerals which is available to the plants. Sunlight and water are not the only things. That's why I am saying water means hydrogen and oxygen and sunlight. Plant, what plant requires? Water and sunlight. Except water and sunlight, all other things which is required by the plant are the minerals. So that's why this is the statement that sunlight and water are not the only things needed for the plant. Minerals are an essential part of the plant growth. Minerals are necessary for plant to maintain and strengthen the plant body. Even plant body gets the strength through the minerals. So these are the use of minerals or importance of minerals in our agriculture also. So what we have learned in today's lecture, we have understood the basics of minerals. Because minerals, we should know what is minerals. So mineral is a very broad term. And what are the minerals? Every minerals we have understood in today's lecture. In today's lecture we have also understood the mineral resources of India. What are the minerals available in India and the minerals, which minerals are available in which part of the country, that also is to be understood. So we have come to know today here in this lecture. We also understood the different use of minerals. Some minerals are used for some purpose, that thing which is clear to us here. And in agriculture minerals are, today we have come to know that minerals are important in agriculture also. Why minerals are important or how minerals are important in agriculture, I told you. Sunlight and water means sunlight, hydrogen and oxygen, that is water. These three things are required by the plant, but these are not the only things. Except these things, all other thing which is required by the plant are the minerals. So minerals are very necessary for the plant, or minerals are very necessary in our agriculture, so that plant can complete their growth and life cycle due to the minerals in combination with sunlight and water. So when we say minerals are very important, we are not denying the importance of sunlight and water. We have two literatures which you can, if you can go through it, you can just understand the topic more. The first literature is Formation and Occurrence of Minerals in Soil. It is a handbook of soil science, properties and process. This is an edited book. Another is the Maheshwari V.K. He has written the chapter that is Mineral Resources, Use, Exploitation and Conservation, Effect of Mining on Environment. This is the name of book, Effect of Mining on Environment. The chapter is written in this book, Mineral Resources, Use, Exploitation and Conservation. Through these articles, or through these chapters, you can understand this topic more clearly. Thank you very much.